Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to my Google Ads Mastery playlist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research using competitor websites. So we're going to go through a bunch of websites which could be our competitor and see how we can use all of those related websites to do better keyword research for our Google Ads. Now, before I get into the video, I would like to tell you that I am now available for one-on-one consultation and the link to book me up is in the description below. So there are a few slots available and do take advantage of that. Having said that, let's get right into the video. So let's make up a fictional business, right? And let's assume that I sell tables and it could be different kinds of tables. Let's look at IKEA and there are a lot of different kind of tables that they sell. Let's assume that I also have a business where I'm selling tables. So I would want to do keyword research around that, right? Let's go back into the ad manager. And in the last video, we had created our first campaign. So I'm just going to use that and let's rename it to tables. Within that, we had created one ad group. Now, keywords are generally added as part of an ad group. So if I select this, I'll directly go into keywords for this particular ad group. And previously in the last video, we had added some keywords. I have gone ahead and removed it. And the campaign is paused at the moment, which is why the status is not eligible. But this is where we are. We're running a table business and we want to start adding keywords to our ad group. So you could come here and start writing table, study tables, dining table, and there could be a lot of different table ideas, right? Now, in general, I would not recommend this because for every ad group, you should maybe focus on one kind of table and create a specific ad for them, create specific keyword list for them. So there could be one ad group for study table, one for dining table. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do your keyword research better with some of the competitor sites, right? So for example, let's say this is IKEA and they are one of my competitors. So I'm just going to copy the URL of this page, come back to AdWords and enter a related site here. And as you can see, I have gotten a lot of ideas. So depending on whether you resell IKEA products, you could choose that. But otherwise, I could take the non-branded keywords and start adding them. Desk table, office table, cheap tables. And again, be conscious of the fact that whether are you selling in a premium category. So maybe cheap tables is really not the keyword that you want to target, right? What I could again do is go into Google and search for buy tables. Copy all of these links. So copy link address, come back to Google and replace. Buy furniture, these might become a little too high level. Table, furniture, dining table, side tables, bedside table. I could go to another competitor, copy the link, come back to Google. Let's copy another link and I'm going to skip e-commerce platforms like Flipkart and Amazon, but you could use them too. Wow, we seem to have hit some sort of gold mine with this website and they have so many different table ideas. Almost all of the keywords seem good to me. Now, of course, once you have this list, we might have a lot of duplicates here. So do go into a Google Sheet, maybe paste it all here and then use the unique function for on this entire row to get a unique list. So as you can see that I had approx 6 keywords which were duplicated. So copy all of this, come back here and use it. Now this is a list of keywords. There are about 59 keywords here and they're all unique. And it doesn't need to end here, right? You could go ahead and check out all of these other keywords as well, use other competitor websites, their links and get ideas here. Now, the first thing I would recommend that once you have this list is do split this up into multiple ad groups and see what are the keywords that logically make sense together, right? You could maybe have one bucket for study, office table. You could have another for dining related things, another for living room related things. And that way you can create more focused ad groups with better focused ad copies as well, right? Another thing to keep in mind is that we've used all of these keywords here as a broad match keyword, and that is not always the best thing to do, especially if you have limited budgets. So you might want to move into phrase matches or exact matches. And that is also something that we'll talk about in another video in this playlist. And with that, we come to the end of this small tutorial. And there are a couple of more videos that is going to come up next around keyword research and how to do them better. We'll talk about how to use broad keyword matches or phrase matches and how you should think about those kind of things. If you want my personal one-on-one help in helping you with some of these things, do book up a one-on-one call with me, and the link is in the description. I'm going to keep adding more videos to the Google Ads Mastery playlist. So keep following, and I'll see you in the next one.